Hey everybody, welcome back to our channel. I'm back with a new tutorial. In this video, I'll show you how can you control Windows PC from Android via USB cable. Now to control your Windows PC from your Android phone via USB cable, you'll need to enable USB debugging on your phone. So for that, you want to open up your settings first thing. You want to go to the About Phone section, and then you want to scroll down a bit and you want to tap on the build number for 7 times. And once you've actually done it so, you'll be asked to type in the PIN and click the arrow icon. After you've actually done it so, you'll be taken to this page. What you have to do is you want to make sure to go ahead and enable. Now that you've enabled the developer option, so on the search box, come to this page and type in developer option, or you could just go ahead and type in USB debugging. Click that and make sure to toggle the button, or just toggle the button for this USB debugging. As you've enabled it so, click the OK button. And now what next you have to do is you want to head over to your PC. Now what you have to do is you want to open up your PC. So here what next you need to do is you want to go to this link, that is developer.android.com/ and here you want to scroll down and you want to install this download SDK platform tools for Windows. So click that out and make sure to read all of these and click on the install button. And right over here, once you've enabled this, or once you've downloaded this, you want to run the extension, or you want to run the installation. And what next you have to do is you want to simply connect the USB cable to your device. So you have to actually connect one to your mobile device and the other one to your PC. Once you've actually done it so, you could see some sort of pop-up menu. Then you just have to make sure to enable the permission. And with that being said, you'll have successfully controlled PC from Android phone via USB cable. So that is how you could do it. So I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.